All right, guys. Now we are finally in the computer for the road to Vogue. I am now going to show you and submit the photos that I'm going to submit to the Vogue magazines. Guys, I apologize that this took way longer than expected. Like I did this shoot like in November or sometime, and the thing about publishing the Vogue is that they only allow you to publish on Monday from 8 o'clock to 8. No, it's 2 a.m. to 2 p.m. You know what I'm saying? Because they're on different time zones. So it was only to 2 a.m. to 2 p.m. And I was always forgetting. I'm not going to lie to you guys. This is the reason why. So I'm finally here. So I'm going to show you exactly which one I'm going to choose. As you can see right here on the screen, I got all these photos right here. These are all the ones I was going to submit. But again, as you see right here on the screen right here, it lets you know that you can only allow to submit 2 photos. So what I'm really thinking about is I went ahead and asked a couple of photographer friends I already know, Mid and Tog Life, and we kind of agreed that this right here is definitely going to be the horizontal. I want to do a variety. I want to do a vertical and I want to do a horizontal. So I think unanimously, like we all agreed this is a really good photo, so it's definitely going to be the one. Now, as far as this one goes, I was torn in between this one right here and let's see here. This one right here, not this one, sorry, apologize. This one right here. If it pops up, sorry. There we go. This one right here. And this one right here. So I'm torn in between these two right here. As of right now, I'm still kind of torn. But I think the long haul is, and even the photographers, the even men, what's called, that I even asked them about, they was kind of torn as well on this. So it's going to be a tough decision, but I believe that I'm going to end up doing this one right here because I like the mid crop right here, and I think it's going to come down to cropping here because even if I did this, like I don't like the fact that I'm cutting off her feet, even though it really don't make a difference because you're in brush, you kind of know she's in brush, so at least I'm getting a lot of going on here, and I like it because her, she's slim, she's tall, it's really kind of showing off the whole entire body, so I really do like this image here, but it's just something about this image going on right here. I don't know what it is. I just like it. It just gives out that Vogue aesthetic, right? So that's what we're going to go for. So I think I'm going to do this one, and I think I'm going to do this one right here. So let's go ahead and get this done. And we're going to submit this in JPEG, guys, because over here it says certain things. Let me go ahead and click over here because it says upload now. So let's just call this, what can we call this? Let's call it the field of Calvin Klein. How about we do that? Let's just call it the field of Calvin Klein. We're going to put this as a, oh man, what kind of fashion? Mobile. Let's just put it in as a portrait. I don't think it's necessarily a body positivity, diversity, empowerment, freedom, human rights. Oh man, this is a lot of things you can kind of put this under. Let's hit space here. All right, here we go. So we got this. Got this. And we know obviously this one's going to go. So we know that's going to go for sure. So I'm just torn between these two, guys. This is the one that's going to go ahead and, oh man, even sitting here still, I'm still trying to figure out what I'm going to torn. Let's just go ahead and load this and drag the file over here. All right, that meets the requirements. And now this is uploading. Do not refresh page, as you can see. I'm pretty excited, actually, guys. I'm pretty excited now. Obviously, I know I probably won't get picked on the first one. In retrospect, it is a pretty basic image. All right, so we got one photo up in there. It is, once upon approval, your visual are published to your profile. The visual are not allowed to be approved, will be permanently deleted after review. All right, so you see that right there. All right, so we got one more that we can upload here. Let me look at these again. I'm gonna put them up on the big screen. Man, do I really like that one. And do I really love this one too. Man, do I like both of them, man. Now at this point in time, I'm really kind of looking more visually, just to kind of see which one is going to be here. The only problem I see now, I'm really starting to. I'm looking at it now. I think I'm gonna go with the second one, guys. I think I'm gonna go with this one. Because the only problem that I see here is that she has no arm. As you can see, guys, let me go ahead and take the mouse. Look like she has no arm. Obviously, it's right behind us. She's not one armed, but it looks like she has absolutely no arm going on right here. Which again, I like because it really just shows off the thing. But I don't think, far as the purpose of the Vogue, at least right here, she has a hand here. So you can kind of see a hand right here, and then it goes back, and what the case may be. So at least there, she has a hand in the photo. So I think I'm gonna go with this one simply because she has a hand there. You know, so we're gonna call this the same thing. The field of Calvin Klein. And we're going to put this in the same category here as portrait. I really could put like lifestyle on this. Let's put it as lifestyle. I don't know. It's not technically a lifestyle. It is a portrait. No, it's not lifestyle either. It's not a close-up document editorial. And that's, I don't think it's necessary. Well, we could just put it as black and white, huh? But I'm gonna go back to portraits though, because that's what it normally is a portrait. So we're going to drag the file over. There it is. We agree to it. And we are submitting. All right. Well, as that's going on right now, guys, again, I do apologize that this took a very, very long time for me to do. Vogue, you only allowed to submit on the Vogue on Mondays, and it's from 2 a.m. to 2 p.m. only on Monday. So I just honestly always just really forgot. These photos been done, guys. This whole thing been really done. I just been totally just really just been forgetting to post these. As you can see right here, check for Pro the next few days to see if it got approved. All right, so that's awesome, guys. Again, I'm gonna go with this because I am. This series really is just for me to be more creative into photography and stop doing the same exact thing. Again, I know these photos are just really basics, but this is a stepping stone to me to get more creative and to keep on posting and actually trying to get published in Vogue. This is the reason why I call this the Road to Vogue. It's really just a way for me to be more creative and step out more of my comfort zone to do more things to try to get submitted into the Vogue magazine, obviously, because that's everybody. I don't think it's everybody's dream, but it is it'll be a good accomplishment, especially for me as a hobbyist. But if you enjoy my work, please consider yourself subscribing to my channel and to the next video, guys, to the next freaking video, guys. Peace.